Good morning, good day, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. I'm thankful to be alive today and to know that you are too as we start a new year, a new beginning, a fresh start of 2024. My quote: let your yesterday's challenges and difficulties be today's blessings and joys for a better and guided tomorrow. I'm grateful for your attention, and I would like to quote a few lines from devotional and inspirational words. And I quote: as a tortoise withdraws its limbs, so do the stable-minded withdraws his senses from the objects around him. Second quote: blissfulness banishes sorrow, and the contentment therefrom makes one stable-minded. From another book, I quote: God completely knows your weakness and failings, but He waits on you and me to wholly turn to Him, to include Him in our struggles and sins. If you come to Him humbly and sincerely, He will establish you into a new relationship and give you a fresh start. With Him, you have a wonderful new year ahead. Let's open a book, a devotional or inspirational book, each and every day, and take 2 or 3 lines from that. Say it out loud and start a fresh day each and every day. May you have a wonderful, wonderful new year. 365 days. Each day will bring you this love and unity that we all dream of. Please share, like, and subscribe, and let's have a wonderful discussion, conversation on any topic of your choice.